Yes. 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 Yes.
First of all, I would like to use to all Ugandan football family to congratulate upon finishing a thriller league that has been extremely competitive, that is a guarantee that our football is going forward. I want to congratulate Vipers upon winning, especially my former player Alexis Sabio. It is his first trophy as a coach to win the league. To Vipers family, congratulations upon that. Unfortunately to KCCA, unfortunately to Villa, but they have been good contenders because three of them have been three-horse race, one team won, and very well done. On the other side, regretfully, some teams have been relegated, but good enough. We have very strong big league, and the best players of the big league from three promoted teams. We have brought them here in order to check them in regional tour, in order them to knock on the door of the national team to show that we respect hard-working people in the big league, that we are one football family that takes care of all their members of family. We have brought the players together here, minus players from Vipers, minus players from Bright Stars and Mutiaba Travis that is nursing injury. The rest of them locally are here, and from these players, this is the first filter tomorrow. Practically, they need to buy the ticket to Cameroon to last 25 that will go for the friendly match against DRC and competitive AFCON qualifier against Algeria. All our mind is focused, concentrated and directed towards Algeria match, and we are having time ahead of us to prepare. Players are coming from finishing the league. This could be a mental and physical fatigue. However, when it's question of playing for the country, they need to stretch over all human and sport limits, and we expect them to fight for the places, to earn the tickets, to go and represent Uganda in the best possible way to get the result that will open us door to the AFCON Ivory Coast 2024.
Agonigo twatwinire